Oh, she's moving the table. She's so thick. This is iconic. What's up, blushers? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am very excited because I have this little storage unit box. I don't know what you call these. I am going to go through the, whoa, my voice just like went way too high and like I'm not on that level today. I'm more so like medium. That one went way high, so we're just gonna ignore that one. So all of these in here are over a year old and we're just gonna go through them. We're gonna activate them and see how they are. We're gonna see if they're moldy. We're gonna see if they still are great slimes. It's gonna be so fun. I'm actually really excited about this. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start activating some of these slimes and we're gonna see how they are. Okay, so I picked out a few that I wanna go through, and this first one, let's start off with Rainbow Playmaker. She's my favorite Slimer ever, and we're gonna go through this. And I've actually never opened this one. Well, I've opened it, but I've never played with it before. I was gonna like do a whole review on this one, but I just never did. So this is the first time we're actually gonna be playing with it. So let's open this guy up. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow. So it's like a clear pink slime with some pom-poms in it. So obviously it needs to be activated. So we're just gonna go ahead and just add a bunch of activator to this and try to bring it back to life, you know? This is probably like the worst way to do this, but ooh, this is so good. It obviously needs to like clear up and stuff, so I'll check back in a few days, but yeah, this is actually so good. Next up, we're gonna open up this slime from Mermaid Slimes. And I also met her at one of the conventions and she gave me one of these slimes. Ooh, it smells so good. Kind of smells like cantaloupe a little bit. So this one is also very runny, obviously, because it needs to be activated. I'm just gonna pour him out. So, I mean, I'm sure there's like a different way to do this, but this is just how I choose to spend my time. This just seems like the most practical way to, you know, reactivate slime. Oh, she's moving the table. She's so thick. She's stretchy. Ooh, she's stretchy. Okay, I see. Okay, next we have the slime from Unicorn Slime Shop, and this is his Chanel number 2. This is his most famous slime, so let's see what she looks like. This one smells just like bubblegum, and actually, you know what, she's pretty activated. I think she needs to be activated a little bit more, but this slime is seriously one of my favorites. It's so clicky. Oh my gosh, I don't know how he makes this one. I really wish I knew the recipe to this, because this is probably one of the best slimes I've ever felt, honestly. Like, from all my years, Chanel number 2 just stands the test of time. This slime, oh, I'm so excited. This slime is seriously the best. I cannot tell you guys enough. I just shot like 2 slimes off of my table. Okay, slime, can you stop? It's like flinging all over me. Okay, I'm gonna play with this all night if I don't stop playing with it, obviously. Okay, next up we have this slime from Kauai Slime Company, and this used to be one of my favorite slimes, but I haven't played with it in over a year, so let's see how she looks. Ooh, she's vibrant. I love this color. I don't know what the smell is. I think it's like blackberry, blueberry, raspberry. I don't know. But I'm gonna pour her out. Ooh, she is so pretty. She also has some fake sprinkles in her. Thumbs up this video if you like how I reactivate slime. I think this is pretty normal. I just haven't seen anybody do this particularly. Ooh, she's kind of sticky. Okay, this one's still really good. I'm gonna give this one A+. I think she did really great. I think there's not really very much room for improvement, honestly. I think she's still good. She still got it. Okay, now the rest are on the ground, so hold on one second. I'm gonna grab one. Next up, we have this glitter slime, and it's called Strawberry Cream Cheese. Ooh. I don't think I'm gonna play with this one because it looks like it's a little molded, just a little bit, but like enough to be like, I'm good, you know? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a little bit of like a greenish color in here, like discolored. Okay, the last one that we have is on the ground and it's a little too far away, so pause for, did I just kick the, okay, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Okay, this last one that we're going to open is called Berry Cherry Slimery. I think that's the name of their shop. I remember getting this one on Etsy, and this one's called Watermelon Chunk, and she's broken. Okay, so this jar is actually broken, but I'm pretty sure it's when the catastrophe happened a few seconds ago, if you guys remember that. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this, but I probably will have to throw this one away because the jar is broken. But oh yeah, she chunky. She real chunky up in there. Oh my gosh, this one smells so freaking good. Oh, what does it smell like? It smells like a candy that I once knew. It smells so watermelony and yummy. So, okay, let's go ahead and activate this guy. This one has some, what are these things called? Sometimes I forget words, you know? This one has those like sponge cubes in them. I literally cannot remember the word that they're called. Don't hate me. Closed on Sunday. You my Chick-fil-A. Fun fact, I actually, if you guys know that song by Kanye West, I actually heard it before anybody else did because I went to his album release party thing and I heard that song for the first time, like before anybody else did. So like, there's a fun fact for the day. But yeah, that's stuck in my head like all day. Also, I really want Chick-fil-A. This sounds really good. Not gonna lie, not loving this texture right now. It's a little chunky. Like, I know it's supposed to be chunky, but it just, like all like the cubes have like disintegrated basically, so it just feels like you're stirring up vomit. Sorry if that's graphic, but that's literally what I feel like right now. Jelly cube, that's what they're called. Wow, okay, just came back to me. Yeah, this jelly cube slime trend was like cool when it happened, but I just feel like when it disintegrates, it just feels really gross. I'm not even gonna lie. But other than that, this is some pretty good slime. Love those pops. Man, I live for pops. Yes. Okay, well, that concludes this episode of opening 1-year-old plus slime. So, hope you enjoyed. Give it a huge thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and hashtag Blusher Squad down in your comments, and you might be featured in one of my videos. And here are some of my Blusher Squad members, so thank you guys so much for being a part of the Blusher Squad. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to see any more videos like this. I definitely have more in my little, you know, tub of wonders. I don't know what you call it. Let me know if you guys want to see any more opening 1-year-old slime, because I have quite a few more and I can do an episode number 2. And also just let me know what other videos you want to see. You know, I'm here to serve, and you know, let me know what you guys want to see. And I hope you guys all have a great day. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, selfless promos, what is it called? Self-promo, shameless self-promo, there you go. It's just Leah Prips. I actually changed my name from Keep Calm Blush On to Leah Prips. So, just if there's some confusion, you know, just follow me, you know, it's all good. But I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Peace and blessings. We out.
Keep on searching for the heart that I cannot find. No matter how long I'm going. Feel there's only one I'm like. So maybe I'll keep on pushing myself back into the light. Cause I need her love, I need all her love.